We are a nation of immigrants, some voluntary, others involuntary, but as Dr. King once observed, we may have come over on different ships, but we're all in the same boat now. We are a gorgeous mosaic of people from throughout the world. We are white, we are black, we are Latino, we are Asian, we are Native American. We are Christian, we are Jewish, we are Muslim, we are Hindu, we are believers, we are non-believers. We are gay, we are straight, we are young, we are older, we are women, we are men, we are citizens, we are dreamers. Out of many, we are one. That's what makes America a great country. And no matter what xenophobic behavior is coming out of 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue, we will never let anyone take that away from us, not now, not ever.
In the 50s and during the 60s, segregationists told us to go back when we protested for our rights. They told ministers, priests, rabbis, and nuns to go back. They told the innocent little children seeking just and equal education to go back. As a nation and as a people, we need to go forward and not backward. With this vote, we stand with our sisters. Three were born in America, and one came here looking for a better life. With this vote, we meet our moral obligation to condemn hate, racism, and bigotry in every form.
I am a proud naturalized citizen born in India, a proud patriot, a proud person who belongs in this country. And it's not the first time I've heard go back to your own country, but it is the first time I have heard it coming from the White House. And frankly, Madam Speaker, I am appalled that on this floor, my Republican colleagues would call any of us anti-American. That is why this vote is so important, because we have to let the rest of the country know that the House of Representatives will stand up for the Constitution, represent and defend every single person in the country, regardless of the color of their skin or the country of their birth. Madam Speaker, my Republican colleagues have been talking about patriotism, about love of country. One of them said, love it or leave it. But what is love if not to make what we love better through our critique, our work, and our service? That is what real Americans do. We do not stifle dissent, we do not otherize or sow hatred, and we certainly never say, go back to your country, to a brown or a black person, because that is a racist trope. I hope that every single member of this chamber, Republican and Democrat, will join me in rejecting the President's message and vote in support of this resolution. That is the American thing to do.
I am an immigrant, I'm a person of faith, and I served on active duty in the United States military because I love America. Yet throughout my life, I've had people tell me to go back to China or Japan or North Korea. And like many immigrants, when I get that go back insult, it is hurtful. It makes me feel like I don't belong here in this country. And make no mistake, when people tell me to go back to where I came from, that is a racist insult because it's based on race. If I was white, they would not tell me to go back to China. I experienced that insult because my race happens to be Asian. But the good news is that Americans at record high levels support immigrants. We are not going anywhere. America is our home, and I will still be standing here long after the occupant of the White House leaves.
Madam Speaker, the way to move forward is by voting yes on the underlying resolution. To paraphrase the Declaration of Independence, it is indicated that we all are created equal, with certain unalienable rights of life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. That is immigrant and non-immigrant. That is an individual whose religion you believe in and one you do not. That is a lifestyle that you may not know and understand. It may be a race or ethnicity that you have never come to be able to accept. These four women are no less deserving of dignity than anyone else. And this resolution is simply one that is to seek, not condoning, as was said, but a condemnation of attitudes that may parlay racist beliefs. No one stands for that. And we cannot go on to all that is good without saying to the nation and the world that this is not good, it is not America. We will not accept that as our definition because we do believe in the creation of a more perfect union.
The ayes are 240, the nays are 187. The resolution is adopted. Without objection, the motion to reconsider is laid on the table.
Hey, NBC News viewers, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.